Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
The dollar yen continues to trade in this consolidation channel. It's formed since August. We're short on this pair, currently in profit, but a fake out may happen. Might break this and then down again. So we just need to take note of that. For the bear case, looks possible that price could start to dump down from here to reach our targets at the on the downside at 109 and 108.5. And for the bull case, do not be surprised if market makers continue to hunt for stop loss up here, faking out traders before taking a dump. If this happens, we see 101 or 101.4 as possible areas of resistance. There are many areas, pockets of liquidity here that market makers would want to exploit. So really looking for that downward move to come.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.